Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Keru from Jam Tours Africa family. And I feel like Miss Jam Tours actually ate me. This pregnancy, I feel like it ate me, sweetie. Yeah, I was saying that I feel like it ate me. I can actually notice the difference with this pregnancy. Based on what you've been doing. Actually, yeah, I feel like it ate me. Do you eat me?
Not really.
Not really.
But
You're
I'm
not
not
gonna
as friendly as the other time.
Yeah, family, I'm gonna tell you some of the things that she's been doing. Yeah. So family, I'm gonna tell you some of the things that she's been doing that I find very weird.
Like today morning.
Yeah?
Like today morning.
Like what
am I doing? Number one?
No, well, I just, you know what I mean, saying weird things.
Like what?
That you want to beat me up and thing. You just feel like beating up somebody or what?
To be honest, I was feeling like beating something.
Like beating something like
if you
what?
found me beating the bed, you'd have said I'm going mad. So I'd
Yeah.
rather beat you.
Okay.
Not beating you in a bad way, but I just felt I had some sort of angry energy
Mm.
that I needed to lay it on something. So I was bring your back, I beat you.
Yeah, family. So you know, I know a lot of female. If you ever went through a pregnancy, and if you notice these type of symptoms, just let me know.
But me, I thank God, at least the first pregnancy you experienced it, and this one. You know why? If I was behaving this way with the first pregnancy, you would have said I'm being rude.
No, but it's not. But it's not like you're not.
Sometimes you even don't know what you're doing. But I'm just feeling angry out of nowhere. I feel like beating something. So instead of me to start beating the car or anything, I just beat you. You're fleshy.
Yeah, family.
And that thing has not gone. I don't know what I'm feeling, especially in my back. I just feel like
Well, maybe you need to walk or exercise or do something, stretch and to get that energy.
But with Hamesh, I was so sweet. I never wanted to let go of you.
Yeah.
But right now, I'm just there.
Okay. So maybe it's a different gender or something. Maybe it's a girl.
I really wanted to prove me wrong, because if it's a boy, I don't know. I don't know what that will be. Maybe every pregnancy comes with its own madness. If that's
maybe because it's the second. But we all notice a lot of stuff, family. And that's one thing about life, that you have to notice yourself. You have to try to know yourself by notice the patterns and stuff, like every events and stuff that happen.
And at first, before I knew I was pregnant, remember, I was a bit rude. I was just getting vexed out of nowhere. Out of the slightest provocation, I get so mad. But even nowadays, although I'm trying to control it, but
I guess maybe because you're pregnant now,
I'm trying to.
It's not really like a, No,
but at that time when I remember that incident, I was like, what has even gotten over me, Yeah. So only for me to realize maybe it's pregnancy that was getting the worst of me. Because with Hamesh, I was so sweet and nice, and I don't know. Well, I'm still good, I think so. And then I'm getting tired so quick. Like right now, I'm already tired.
You need to rest.
I need a bed rest.
Yes. Yeah, family. So we're going on the road to run a few little errands and to get some greens.
And then I come and beat you.
Yes.
At least I'm massaging your back as I beat you, not sure.
Yeah, beat me.
I'm feeling nice beating. And you see what my husband was telling me that I beat my son. Let's start beating him.
Beat
But imagine if he was a big boy, just start beating him out of nowhere.
Eh?
Yeah. But that anger is so bad. I don't know how to control it.
You don't have to control it.
Let me put my belt.
I guess we'll all see. We all see with this pregnancy, see what is happening, family. But, you have to just take note and notice yourself so you can understand yourself more, family. So, family, we're gonna go to get some greens
And something, of course, from the supermarket, right?
Yeah. What else we need?
Just that and some few personal
I get some Brazil nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. I wanna print out the insurance for the car. You have to print it out and stick it on the front.
Expired, yeah.
Yeah, so you know what I mean.
Before you get stopped by police like that, then they come and check.
Yeah, family. So normally everything is digital in Kenya. You don't have to in Jamaica. You have to walk into the insurance company, fill out form, you know what I mean, printing, a lot of things. But here,
for you to get this insurance.
Yeah, for you to get that insurance.
God.
But here you just WhatsApp the insurance company, send your payment via M-Pesa.
In fact, you don't even.
And then
just
actually just
send the confirmation.
Send the confirmation, the sticker, and just print it out and stick it on your car.
They send you the cover.
Yeah, so everything is kind of digital, family. So.
Now leave that. You see, even let's say for example you're stopped by police and they don't want to come on this side or anything.
Yeah.
Sometimes maybe you can forge it. I don't know.
Yeah.
They have gadgets to check whether it's covered.
But they can just check it in the system.
Yeah. Also, your license. Let's say you are from Kenya.
Okay.
Your license. They don't need to check whether it's expired or anything for them to do, because they know there are a lot of con people.
Yeah.
So they have a gadget to check.
Yeah, family, as the world get digitalized, the information is a digital age. You have to, just go with it, just go with the flow, because that's where everything is going now. I'm flying to Jamaica right now. You don't have to fill out that immigration form no more. You can do it online a month before you travel.
Yeah.
So everything is kind of getting digital now and stuff. So I'll just go with the wave, ride the wave, and benefit from the wave, family. You know what I mean? Find ways how to deal with your thing and get your things going, because the world is moving forward. And if you don't move forward with the world, you're gonna leave behind. You know what I mean? You're gonna leave behind to grind. Yeah, family. So I'm just gonna take you along the short vlog. It's just an errand vlog. Today is our Tuesday.
Today's a Tuesday and looks like a Saturday to me.
Yeah.
It is. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours, show them your outfit.
My outfit is a head wrap.
So when you buy the Darren Kenny, you don't get the head wrap like that.
No, you don't get.
This is Tanzania vibes.
Yeah, Zanzibari.
Zanzibar vibes.
Niko Zanzibari. Yeah. Today I'm in Dera.
So you know what I mean. So
but the weather allows me to put on like this.
The weather?
Yeah, it's so sunny.
Yeah, today is a sunny
light.
day.
The Dera is light, so.
Yeah, family. So let's continue watch us while we go, and I will show you along. Let's look a short vlog while we're in Kenya touring and showing you, what Kenya is like. So this is Ankeru. Continue watching while we show you around. Yeah, family. So, while we actually turn off the camera, we're just talking, and these jam tours were saying that, what you were saying?
If you are going to beat me.
No, sweetie, you were saying something about in the stage of pregnancy where you kind of eat and you're moody and stuff.
I'm imagining.
Let's say your husband cannot provide for you. Lord,
with how I'm feeling
I think
right
that
now.
relationship maybe mash up because you can't provide the basic things where you want and stuff.
And
you're gonna find those things to actually, you know what I mean, be more mad about and be upset and you know and stuff.
Out of nowhere.
Out of nowhere, family. So I want you to know, guys. I want you guys to comment below if anyone experienced this as a man. If your wife was actually, or maybe your baby mother that you're pregnant, you know, was behaving a certain way, you know, was getting vexed on you and stuff.
You know the good thing, at least you're understanding me. Who is that? Oh, that guy for vegan. You know the good thing, at least you're understanding me. So even when I'm vexed and all that, out of nowhere. So I was saying, I'm imagining the way I am like this.
What if there was things for you to
and
really,
then there are things that you can't really like buy for me as at this time, guys.
No, not saying
buy,
that.
Like
but saying that there's things to really argue about, like there's problems or stuff that your man cannot do for you.
That's what I'm saying.
And stuff. You'll get very something there.
Yeah.
You'll get very upset and there's a lot of fuss and fight and stuff.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
So I'm saying to myself, family, maybe that's why some of the time you find that you have a lot of single mothers, because if your husband can't take care of the pregnancy and stuff, then you're gonna find a lot of things to argue about. A lot of things, family. So, you know what I mean, these are the things that, you know, as a man, you have to make sure that you have everything covered before you even try to start build a family and get kids and stuff, because
this stage is not easy. You know sometimes somebody might think like it's a joke. It's not an easy stage at all. With Hamesh it was very easy, to be honest. It was like drinking water. It was very easy. I remember you remember when I put the locks, because I didn't want like a lot of stress in my head and stuff, you know.
Yeah, no, you want to cut off your hair.
Right now I want to cut off my hair. In fact, I even cut it. Out of nowhere, I want to go to the salon like every now and then. You just want to feel like, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So that's just how it is. You know what I mean? You have to know. You have to just understand life before you start to build life. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. You know what I mean? Just miss Jam Tours. I finally get the sticker.
Finally.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay.
It's Land Rover.
Permanent.
In the future, I hope we'll own a Land Rover.
Oh, it's permanent.
It's not permanent, sweetie. So what are you gonna do now?
I'll put it. I'll remove this old.
Guys, sweetie.
And there I have nails.
You're gonna mash up your nails doing that now.
No, they're coming now. Doesn't mean because you have nails you can't do things.
Yeah, can you peel a banana? So why you never peel a banana this morning?
To be honest, I don't know if I can peel.
I know you was lying because you're supposed to make the porridge.
Imagine I didn't make.
I never make it, and I know the reason why I never make it.
This is the old one, right?
Yeah, it doesn't matter, sweetie. Just put on the new one and done.
But these nails are still nice.
So what about the car, the pass?
The car pass will stay.
Yeah, you spoiled. Where you never have to trouble that?
No, I had to trouble it because it was packed inside the other one.
Okay.
Let me show you.
Alright, sweetie.
That's how to put it.
Yeah, family. So this is how you put your insurance. You just go and print it out, and you get a sticker. Them have Nissan, Mazda.
So this one will stay like this?
Yes, sweetie. Just slide it in. So it stick by itself, and when you're ready, you just
you just pull it out.
You just pull it out. See, it's not in the groove, sweetie. It's in the groove, and they cut it bad. Well, just stick it then.
But this one looks bigger. It's the same.
Well, that's how they cut it.
Nothing has been cut apparently.
Yeah. So you still could have cut it with the edge.
Yeah.
Alright. Guys, I think maybe I have a peel off that red thing.
Yeah.
That red thing. Look, check it out on the back. You have to peel it out to make it stick.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
But I have nails.
See, that's why you have to cut those nails, you know. You're a mother now, you're not supposed to wear nails.
Okay, but does it mean when because somebody has become a mother now, you should start looking old? I don't
Well, you know that there was a story that a mother juke out her kid eye.
No, I won't juke out my own.
Yeah.
Actually, I wanted to put longer ones than this.
Okay.
No, but he's the one who messed up. I didn't want this shape. You know, when it's boxed like this, it's hard to like. But when it's
pointed.
No, when it's like curved.
Slim.
Not slim, like this. Like you remove these sharp edges.
Yeah.
And curve it a little.
Okay.
Unfortunately, that is what I got. That's the sticker.
Alright, see the go now. Land Rover.
Mom, you'll have to wait a little.
Alright, family, this is how it look. I wonder if it look good outside. That one spoiled.
No.
Hey, we can get another one and put the car parts in.
Mommy, can we go hold it, eh? Okay.
Alright, family, so let's go. Miss Jam to finish up with the insurance sticker. So let's go. Yeah, family. So we just finished with that little shopping and that little errands. Miss Jam Tourist says she's thirsty. She's drinking spring water from under the ground. Yeah, family. So please like, share the video, comment your thoughts. Let us know your thoughts and everything. And let us know.
Today the sun is hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Hotter than a cup of coffee. Yeah, family, so I would like to hear your thoughts and your comments so we can learn from you.
I don't know how we used to
And
do
you
it
can
back
learn
then.
from us. Eh?
How we used to do back then when the sun is like this.
Yeah.
So because, of course, you know, back in the days, we are from Africa, let's put it the way it is. Eh?
Yeah.
There are no showers. When your mom sees you boiling water from the gas, it will be a problem.
Yeah.
So we used to put water outside in a basin.
And cold
see, like,
season.
Let's say like right now, you know, sometimes now the water from the Jamaican it's extremely cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So what we do, you see from morning the sun was blazing hot.
Yeah.
So you remove it outside in the basin or the bucket.
Yeah,
And then you leave it there until around 3.
yeah.
Then now you go shower.
Yeah, family. In Jamaica still we don't have to worry about hot water. But the difference with Jamaica and Kenya, in Kenya you don't have to worry about AC. In Jamaica you have to worry about AC. In Jamaica you have to worry about fridge. In Kenya you don't have to worry about fridge.
Yeah.
You can just cook your food and put it down. And in the morning time it will be good. In the evening it will be good, family. So, you know what I mean? It's just the weather. The weather is so good.
But
Still warm.
But I think we should put it this way. I think you still need the fridge for people who like are much of meat eaters.
Yeah.
And you want to buy things in bulk.
Yeah.
I see them in Carrefour. You've shopped the whole deli.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now, for them you might need a fridge.
Yeah, but for us, we really don't need that fridge, you know, but
see,
we
like
just
for
have
me,
it
I cook
still.
every day. Like I want fresh food.
Yeah. Yeah, we do fresh juices and stuff. So, yeah, guys, so like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. We are home.